Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you can't get into your iPhone because you've forgotten your Apple ID or bought a used one, still linked to another account, don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to unlock an iPhone without Apple ID safely and legally. Alright, let's dive in. Method 1. Restore with iTunes or Finder. If you only need to remove the screen passcode but don't have the Apple ID, restoring the iPhone from a computer can help erase the passcode. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then, you'll need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Press the volume up and volume down buttons. Then hold the power button until the iPhone shuts off and the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes will prompt you to restore or update. Choose Restore. This will download the iOS firmware and erase your device. After the reset is complete, you'll need to set up your device. In most cases, this should unlock your iPhone. If the restore completes successfully, you're all set. Just finish setup and you can use the device again. If iTunes encounters an error, or if the restore can't finish for some reason, don't worry, there's a faster alternative you can try next. Method 2. Use Tenorshare for UK. When a computer restore fails, or you want a simpler, faster option, Tenorshare for UK offers a user-friendly way to remove the screen passcode without needing your Apple ID or iTunes. It guides you step by step, automatically detects your device, and fetches the correct firmware so you don't have to worry about technical details. Connect your iPhone to the computer and launch For UK. Select Unlock iOS Screen or Start and follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, For UK will detect your iPhone and show the latest firmware. Click Download. When the firmware is ready, click Start to remove to begin. The process usually takes around 10 minutes. When it finishes, your iPhone will restart with the passcode removed. Complete the setup and you're good to go. And that's it. 2 reliable ways to get into a locked iPhone without Apple ID. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tenorshare channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.